This is big right now, Dr. Sharma, because
Yeah.
Halloween is around the corner, and I know in my house, I'm the candy police. You get 10 pieces of candy because that's sugar overload.
Yes, it is, and it's good. It's good that you're a candy police, and certainly Halloween is scary. Sugar is scary as
Right.
well, you know, so we want to be very mindful, and I think it's really important that we talk about it.
Right, especially with our children, because that's
Yeah.
where we see a lot of that obesity as well, with kids who are consuming the sodas, the snacks as well.
Yeah, a lot of excess sugar in the diet. It does lead to an increase in obesity and then the complications of obesity to follow. So certainly with children, with adults, and also learning moderation.
Right,
So-
absolutely. Now we see here that blood pressure and cholesterol can be improved by reducing sugar. So how is sugar tied into these vital signs?
So that is something that a lot of people ask me often. Why is excess sugar, diabetes, conditions related to excessive sugar considered a cardiovascular risk factor?
Okay.
And that's because it does increase the risk of obesity, it does increase the risk of fat, and so in general it is considered a vascular disease. And so just like smoking and blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, and your weight are all tied together as cardiovascular risk factors.
Now, do you have any advice for parents who are, because I mean, diets and what we eat starts at home. And I think that obviously translates in school as well. But for parents who need tips or advice to check that sugar intake for their children, what do you recommend?
So I couldn't agree more that this all starts from home. So I usually recommend that this be done together as a family.
Right.
And so, you know, that is more successful if you're working together as a family to do something and make an adjustment. So certainly not bringing in the products is a great way. You're less tempted to open the pantry and have a cookie if there are no cookies in the pantry.
Right.
And less tempted to have ice cream at the end of every dinner if there's no ice cream in the
Right.
freezer. So certainly not bringing those things home. And then also thinking about how you can make healthy substitutions. So, you know, having healthy snacks and maybe eating some fruits, drinking more water, making sure that the whole family is active and exercising. These are all really great ways to try and make a healthy lifestyle in the home for everyone, and it doesn't seem like a burden or a punishment.